Two men sit close, the furniture ornate, the room heavy with the fabric and comfort. One smiles broadly, almost performatively. The other holds himself with a posture of proximity to power. On the surface, it is harmless image of access and confidence. Beneath it, weight of ascendance hangs like unfinished thunder. Musandi simudzira mhepo, do not raise the winds around me. Saibe namashoko kudanyogwa panguva ino nezimai vachiposta this picture remutungamiri wenyika ava neHubert Angel. The photography freezes a moment that was never meant to be still. Don't forget to subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipita Bravo Kwamchidzi. Those words later heard in the Good Mafia documentary travel backward into the image and drain it of innocence. They were not spoken to a stranger. They were not spoken in public defiance. They were whispered upward, deferentially to power's inner circle, a plea of mercy, for restraint, for silence, as a man found himself caught between the appetite of the state and the gaze of the truth. In the documentary, the voice that uttered Musandi Simudzira Mhepo was no longer smiling. It was cautious, compressed, aware that the ground beneath him was no longer solid. The investors he was negotiating with were not investors at all, but mirrors, undercover journalists, patient and methodical, drawing out a system, and relied on ritual confidence, coded language, and the belief that no one would ever be listening closely enough. Viewed through that lens, the photography becomes an artifact of overconfidence. Here is a man accustomed to corridors without doors, rooms without witnesses, deals without records. Here is proximity mistaken for immunity, theology folded into transaction, diplomacy folded into laundering, faith folded into cover. The smile is not joy, it is assurance. The assurance that power recognizes its own and shields them from consequences. And in the picture, that truth is already visible if one looks closely enough. Angel sits totally agape, mouth wide open, as if trying to block the rising winds with his own teeth. A fatal, almost instinctive gesture against a storm that he had already learned his name. Will he manage? Picture quotes at Zico. Domashikana kudanyogwa panguva ino aiwa panguva ino nezimai vachikomera pamusoro pe-this picture rakaenda viral remutungamiri wenyika naHubert Angel. Comment section medu zvafungiro emo tui pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.